Hello guys, welcome to Train Type 699. I hope you guys are doing very well. This is an emergency video regarding BTC. The price of BTC is very volatile. Right now we are seeing a dump in the price of BTC. In the last video, this was our target and our target is already achieved. And the pattern we were talking about, this pattern, this W pattern, let me have a daily chart. So this was the W pattern we discussed, and this was our target. The target is already achieved. Now the price of BTC is pulling back, and this is not a good scenario for the price of BTC. In order to continue this bullish move up to 130K, BTC must have to give a daily close above 124, or in the worst case scenario, BTC has to give a daily close above 123,000 or above this wick level. But if somehow we see a retrace in the BTC, as we can see, there is a lot of liquidity building at the 2 week time frame. We see a lot of liquidity is building at 108,400. And if we see at 48 hour time frame, there's a lot of liquidity at 112. And if we see at 3 day time frame, still there is a lot of liquidity building below the price of BTC. And I already told you that this liquidity levels are acting as a price of as a magnet for the price of BTC. So now we can see that at 3 day time frame, there's a lot of liquidity at 118, 136. So this is the level. This is the support level for the price of BTC. BTC must hold this support level in order to move, regain the bullish move. Or in the good scenarios, in the very good scenarios, BTC must have to give us a daily close above 124,500. And if the BTC somehow manages to take the liquidity and comes back, this will be a good sign. So we can take a long from this point. But if the this resist this was a resistance level back then, now it's a support level. So if the BTC break this support level, in that scenario, there is a CME gap. And also I already told you that at 2 week time frame, there's a lot of liquidity building below this CME gap. So there is a good chance that we come back all the way towards this CME gap and below this point, and that this will not be a good scenario for the price of BTC. Let's also discuss the Ethereum. Now, as you can see that Ethereum is holding this support level very well. The resistance level for Ethereum is 4677 to and all the way up to 4800. This is the resistance level for Ethereum. If BTC moves sideways, in that scenario, we will see the price of Ethereum will touch touch this resistance level, or might try to break this resistance. Regarding this, we must see the inflows of Ethereum. As you can see there, on the 3rd of October, we have $233.5 million of inflows. That's a really good inflow. But if we see the inflows of BTC, we have seen that this is a massive inflow of $985 million. Very huge inflows. And alone, the BlackRock ETF, the number of BlackRock ETF inflow was $791 million. This is a huge inflow for BTC. This huge inflow is obviously helping the price of BTC to make a all-time high. Now, all-time high is 125.81, 125.725. This is the all-time high for the price of BTC right now. So in regard to continue this bullish move, we have to give a daily close above this level. If we see a sideways movement, in that scenario, we will see lot of altcoins will pump. And in that scenario, I'm looking for Solana, Ethereum. Obviously, ENA is already pumping. I'm looking at Sui. I'm looking at Uni. Uni is holding this support level very good. If we see a daily close above this line, in that scenario, we can see a very good pump in Uni. Up to 6.6% gain can be seen in Uni. So this is all for today. I hope you are doing very well. Keep your leverage low and be safe while taking longs at these highs. If you have already taken long from this point, when I was telling you that this is the buying region, from this region, if you have already taken the long, that's a very good scenario for Ethereum. If you have taken the long from this our buy zone, you are doing a very good job and you already managed to take 16% of the profit. But if you are planning to take a long at this point, you must keep your stop losses very tight, because anytime we can see a dump in the price of BTC, as you already see on, if we see on a smaller time frame, in on a 4 hour time frame, you can see the price of BTC is still dumping continuously. This is a single candle, and if we see the price of BTC managed to dump in a single candle and come all the way towards this support level, and this support level could not hold, in that scenario, I'm sure all the other coins will dump. Thank you for watching.